Good morning, it's Monday 6th of July. Let's do our markup on euro dollar. Daily is bearish still, as it will be for quite a while. Low, high, low, high, low. Daily's pulled in the premium of its own swing leg, and then on the 4 hour, we've broken structure to the downside here, taking out this low to reconfirm the bearish direction. So on the 4 hour, we're trending down nicely. Lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. We pulled back on the 4 hour. We've just mitigated the premium, and we got a short on Friday from that position there. We closed our short early on GBP USD, but that would have gone all the way to target. At this point, I don't like holding over weekends. I need to actually create a fresh backtesting session in TradeTeller, figure out how many, when a setup happens on a Friday, how many of those over the weekend, if you hold, how many go to target, and if you hold, how many reverse and go to stop loss, and then find out the scenarios where each one plays out, so I can add that into the rule book. So that's one of my priorities this week, to figure out, is there edge? Is there more profitability in leaving a Friday trade over a weekend, holding it, or do we take a profit and close shop for the weekend? So on the 1 hour, we are close to bearish. We've wicked that low there. We've wicked the last 1 hour low. We've not closed below it yet. This low fails to take that high. That's where we got the short. Yet on Friday, we've come down to this low. On the 5 minute, we are just trending down, lows and highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, low, high. The only thing I'm interested in here, possibly today, and I'm probably not, because I don't like longs. I'm very short biased. I don't know why. What I've noticed is when we're trending down, especially on the 5 minute, and then we have it almost looks like a waterfall, like a steady trending down, like at a steady rate, and then it starts to fall off a cliff. At that point there, often reversals happen. Again, that is speculation. I've not tested that. It's just a pattern I'm recognizing. So it's nothing to base a trade off, but something that pops up when I see it. So that's the last 1 hour low here. We've wicked it. It's Frankfurt's right now. We've got 10 minutes till London opens. The only trade I'm going to be interested in taking today is this. If we have like a 5 minute structure form here, and then, or if London comes in and gives a good reaction, and then we pull back to the 50%, and then I'll look for maybe a long up to here, like a short, like a bit of a scalp. Higher time frame direction, there's not really anything. We've pulled back to the premium of the last 4 hour, but we've not shifted that 1 hour structure to confirm the continuation bearish. But we also have just took out a daily low, which often is followed by a longer, deeper daily pullback. So this may now keep going bullish. So we are in no man's land here until the 1 hour confirms. Higher time frame bias is going to be this. We're either going to close below this low, make our way back up, and then continue down. That's my option 1, and I have no idea if it'll play out. Option 2 is we'll get a little scalp trade today. Price will range here for a bit, and then we'll continue up for a deeper pullback into this entire daily leg before then continuing down. Possible scalp to the upside today, this morning. Maybe if it presents itself. I need to see some action down here first. Right now we are in no man's land. Let's see what is in the news. So a bit of news as well later today. Right, that's the morning markup. I doubt we're going to be taking any positions today. Bit of a no man's land for me. I will update you if I get in a trade. If not, I'll see you in the morning.